Hello all, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to discuss about the conditional statement, if-else statement in Python programming. Okay, so let's get into this. So this is the topic guys which we are going to discuss today, conditional statement in Python programming. Okay, I have already mentioned as a conditional statement as a comments. So let's take an example and now let's try to understand the conditional statement, that is if-else statement in Python. Suppose I will give a variable a is equal to some number. I will give it as 154. Okay, so now let's try to compare if a is greater than 250. Okay, we are comparing guys. Suppose if a is greater than 250 or not, and now press enter. And suppose if a is greater than 250, let's print a is greater than 250. I will print as L, and now again let's type is less than 250. Okay, so we have taken a is equal to 154 and here we are comparing whether 154 is greater than 250. Okay, and suppose if 154 is definitely less than 250. So like here we are comparing if it is greater than 250. Okay, suppose if I give any other number apart from 154, so we can use the same format. Okay, so I have just taken a is equal to 150. Okay, and suppose if I give 350, then 350 is greater than 250. Okay, so here I have taken a is equal to 154 and here I am comparing whether if it is greater than 250. And suppose if it is greater than 250, it will print a is less than 250, because here I have given a is equal to 154. And suppose if I give any other number, suppose if I give 350, okay, then it will print a is greater than 250. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell and now let's try to see like what might be the output. So here we have to get the output as a is less than 250 because 154 is less than 250. Okay, now let's try to run this particular cell. So here we are getting 154 is less than 250. Okay, and again I will take the same example and here I will try to paste it, and here I am going to change 154 with some other number which is greater than 250. I will give it as 500. Okay, and now let's try to run this particular cell. Now we are supposed to get the output as 500 is greater than 250. So we are getting the output as, we are getting the output as 500 is greater than 250. Okay, so this is how we use the conditional statement, that is a if-else statement in Python programming. Okay, so that's all about this particular video guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please just subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.